Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to install stick nodes on PC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So in order to install stick nodes on PC, you have to follow these steps. Stick nodes is officially a mobile app, so on a computer, you install it using an Android emulator. First, download an emulator like BlueStacks, LD Player, or Nox Player from their official website and install it on your PC like any normal program. Once the emulator is installed, open it and sign in with your Google account to access the Play Store. Inside the emulator, open the Google Play Store, then go to the search bar and search for Stick Nodes Animator and wait for it. Then click Install. Wait for it to download and install just like on a phone. After installation, you'll find Stick Nodes on the emulator's home screen. Click it to open and start animating. You can use your mouse like a touch input and it works well for creating stick figure animations. So now you can use stick nodes on your PC even though it's a mobile app. And that's it. So that's basically how you can install stick nodes on PC. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.